Hello, my dear children and parents. Welcome to Indus Valley Public School Raj e-learning classes, class 6th, where we will revise lesson number 1 from your Honeysuckle book, and the name of the lesson is Who Did Patrick's Homework by Carol Moore. Children, in this lesson we will find a boy whose name is Patrick, who is very notorious and he did not want to study. But in the end of the semester, he had secured good marks. What was the magic happened during his semester examination? Let's see what had happened and how it had happened. Okay? Patrick was an active boy who loved outdoor games and hockey and basketball. He was an enthusiastic player but somehow was not interested in studies. Because of his poor interest in studies, he shrieked, worked, and was warned strictly by his teachers. One day, Patrick observed his cat playing with a doll, but when he looked at it closely, he found that it was a small man elf, a supernatural being. He was wearing a woolen shirt, a tall hat, and breeches. He was scared of a cat and needed help. He pleaded Patrick to save him, and in return he promised to grant him a wish. So now see, Patrick felt happy and called himself a fortunate one. He asked the elf to do his homework in return. Though the elf was not ready for it yet, he offered to do his homework for him for 35 days. However, a problem arose when the elf told that he knew nothing of math and history. He needed help to do these subjects. Patrick agreed and brought many books to read and consult. He sat next to elf and put in a hard toll to complete the work. Exactly after 35 days, when the semester was over, the elf went away quietly. Patrick scored grade A in all the subjects. Everyone appreciated him. He became a very different person who was hardworking, generous, and an exemplary boy. Patrick thought it was Elf who had helped him score high, but in reality, it was Patrick himself who did all the good and changed his score. So, now the conclusion of the lesson is that, conclusion of the story is that hard work is only the key to success. We should always do our work by our own. Patrick also learned this value and started doing his homework and got A's in all the subjects. So, my dear children, I hope you understood this story and everybody will work hard and will get good marks in your examination. All the best, and it's the time to say thank you so much for listening the video.